Hello, little artists! Join us for fun, colorful drawing and magical adventures. Subscribe for more super cute fun. Enjoy and keep creating!
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have an ocean adventure and draw a cool sharks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wow, you did such amazing job drawing and coloring this awesome shark. It looks so cool and friendly. Don't forget to show your picture to your family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye friends.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun contents.